In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Amazon Prime membership. The first part of this video, I want to show you how to do it on your cell phone, your smartphone, through the Amazon app. And then the second part of this video, I want to show you how you do it online, just through the website on your desktop or your laptop. Okay, so let's start with the smartphone or the phone app. You open up your app, and then on the very bottom here, you're going to see like a little person sign. What you want to do is you're going to go ahead and click on that, which is your account, and then on your phone screen, look where it says account. And this, the way it looks may change as months go by and as they do new updates, but look where it says account, click on account, and then on the left here, you're going to see on your phone, look where it says manage Prime membership. So on your phone, most likely you're going to have to scroll a little bit down on the phone and see where it says manage Prime membership. And then it's going to take you to another screen and see where it says manage membership. Go ahead and click on that. And then the last screen will say end membership, and go ahead and click on that. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to cancel on the internet online. Make sure you're logged in to your Amazon account online. And then what you want to do is click on here or manage here where it says account and list. Scroll all the way down here where it says Prime membership. So go ahead and click on that. And the next screen here, it's going to show, they're going to have it on the right here. It says manage membership. Go ahead and click on that. And then right down here on the bottom, you can click where it says end membership. It'll take you to a couple of steps. The good thing about this is you can always go back on and renew it. And as of right now, Amazon Prime's $119 a year. I think it's a great deal. I buy a lot of things online, and it saves me on shipping and everything else. And plus, I love Amazon Prime Video. All right, I hope I helped you. If you have any questions, let me know, and make sure you subscribe to me. All right, thanks for watching.